I'm delighted to welcome you to our 5th annual Leadership Conclave. This week is of course about celebrating all the great things that the UK and India cherish and do together. How do we bring the relationship and the ideas within that book to life? And the result is today. The result is tomorrow. The result is UK-India Week.
So I'd like to begin by saying thank you to my brother Manoj for having me here. I think he is the perfect bridge, India Inc., between two incredible countries and with historical ties and hopefully a very bright future together.
That shows friendship, and that actually today is about looking to the future, and the announcements that have been made and facilitated sums up the theme of this conclave. Global Britain meets Global India.